Hello dear fans. Why is the grass green? If you go out into the meadow in the morning, when the grass is covered with fresh dew, you will notice a bright fresh stormy ocean of greenery. It is the green color that is inextricably linked in the understanding of people with grass. And there is a reason for that. In childhood, many asked the question about the reason for the greenness of the grass. However, not every parent is able to give the correct answer. Even those with an A in biology do not always have all the information. The simplest answer is that the cells of the grass contain a special substance, chlorophyll, which is green. If you shake the gyrus a little, you can even remember what the process of photosynthesis is, experiments with potatoes and iodine, and so on. What scientists say. However, truly inquisitive minds are unlikely to be satisfied with the fact that chlorophyll is just green. Inevitably, the following natural question arises about why everything, as it is. Why did nature choose green for the herb or the chlorophyll it contains? Chlorophyll is considered one of the good herbal ingredients in many medicines. This has not yet been scientifically proven. However, inquisitive scientists have found the answer to this question as well. As you know, for the process of photosynthesis, plants, like grass, absorb sunlight. And this, as people who are at least a little familiar with the school physics course know, is electromagnetic radiation, decomposed into separate colors, being passed through a special prism. That is, every hunter wants to know where the pheasant sits. A mnemonic technique for memorizing red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet colors of the spectrum. Chlorophyll is distinguished by a special composition, absorbing practically the whole of this spectrum. Except green. The only color that plants, in a normal, non-wilted state, reflect and that people see with their own eyes. It turns out just a kind of electromagnetic optical effect, thanks to which people have long believed that the grass is green. Yellow grass. In the autumn, under the influence of cold and seasonal memory, chlorophyll is destroyed in plants. The result is a yellowing or reddening of leaves and grass. This is due to the fact that the sunny day is shortening, the plant can no longer receive enough electromagnetic light radiation for normal life. A kind of plant conservation takes place until next spring, which protects it from the destructive effects of frost and other climatic factors. Interesting facts about flowers. Despite the fact that green is the color of grass, there are many other colors and halftones in the world. Not so long ago, scientists found out that the most beloved color in the world is blue. It has been established that people who are blind from birth are able to see colored dreams. The nature of this is unknown. Red is perceived differently by men and women. So, for the stronger sex, a rather difficult task is the difference between crimson, purple and coral. It's much easier for women. Colors can be associated with music. When sad, they are gray and black, and when cheerful, they are yellow and orange. Thanks for watching.